A common noun is a general name for a person, place, thing, or animal. It's not specific, it's general word. For example, city. It could be any city. It is a general word for a place. So city is a common noun. Girl could be any girl. It is a general word for a person. So girl is a common noun. A proper noun is a specific name. It names one unique person, place, thing, or animal. Surabaya is a city in Indonesia. It is a specific name of a place. So Surabaya is a proper noun. Lisa is a specific name of a girl. So Lisa is a proper noun. So let's see more about the differences between common and proper noun. Common noun is a general word, while proper noun is a specific word. And proper noun always start with a capital letter.